Jaod bura magem Elisha Odhiambo kwedo Gavana Mase James Orengo ka owacho ni Orengo okoyiero jotend migepe e yo makare kata bed ni thoth ombulu manoyudo nowuok kuom oganda jogem. Odhiambo owacho ni Orengo keto tenge oganda jogem mane ochung' kode ndalo siasa nyaka ndalo yiero, kendo jotelo moyiero ne ok okonye kata e kindene mag campaign mar Elisha ne oloso e gwenge mag gem kama osingo mar medo dhiro Orengo nyaka chop kare singo ne jogem.
Ang'o midwaro gae?
An gi makosa ni waonge ofis mwarome.
My position as an MP for game must be given the respect that game deserves.
Yes.
We are not begging for jobs for the people of game. We are asking of equity, no preferential treatment. We are asking for equity and fairness in the governor discharging his duty. So that we don't see so many people from Mugenya, so many people are level in the offices, and game people are minimal. And that is why I still insist the office of the county secretary of Siaya must come from game to people. I will not tire to remind the governor that he promised the people of Siaya that within 60 days, by the 5th of December, they were supposed to have released a Uko report. Up to now, the Uko report is gathering dust. We want to know the details of that report. We want him to tell us the content of that report. We want him to tell us who bears the greatest responsibility